Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show TV shows in the cloud on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we go down and then tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down in here and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on Content Restrictions. Then tap on TV. Now we go down and tap on Show TV Shows in the cloud. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on Show TV shows in the cloud. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.